Hello everyone, SHARMA here with yet another valuable call. For everyone who know me, this is a great chance for you to learn how you can make six-figure or more using easy smart strategies in LetSetCom. All these strategies which is used by seven-figure marketers, you'll learn about them in this call. For everyone who don't know me, my name is Sharma. I'm one of the top software vendors in the world right now. I'm JVZoo Premium vendor, one of the best sellers into software industry, into marketplaces like JVZoo, ClickBank, WordPress, and I'm known for my customer support. And yeah, that's me. And you'll know more about me in this call. So we're about to get started. We are waiting for everyone to join. Hi Samantha. Yeah. Hey. What's the name? Dopchak. Okay. Hi Dopchak from Cape Town. Yeah. So we're gonna wait for everyone to join, and in this call we'll discuss all these strategy which differentiate marketers, who make seven figures, marketers who make six figure, and all others, who are trying to start their online marketing career, but somehow they fail. So in this call you learn what is that different thing, what is that different ingredient, which all these seven-figure marketers use, all these big short companies use to do justice with the kind of traffic they get on the site, how to get more traffic, how to convert it, how to engage it. Because believe me, having just website is not enough in this era. So there are a few strategies, there are a few hacks, few tricks, and you'll learn about all in this call. So let's get started. Hi John. Hi, how are you? I'm good. Okay, so you might want to pay attention to this call, because I'm gonna give $100. I'm repeating it. I'm gonna give $100 to 5 best questions, plus I'm gonna give free accounts of LetSetCom to 5 lucky winners. Okay, so you have to listen to me. You have to present your logical question, a good question which help us, which help others to understand that concept. Okay, and you'll be rewarded with $100, plus you'll be rewarded with free accounts into LetSetCom. And yeah, so stay till the end and you'll be rewarded just for attending this call and just being attentive. About this call, there will be no talking, no gloomy promises, no bullshit, those kind of things. Okay, I'm gonna simply talk about one simple action strategy. I'm gonna give you a demo. You'll see it in front of you, and you'll see how easy it is to make $100,000 more in next 1 year using LetSetCom, using all these marketing hacks. Okay, and that's my promise. If you attend this call, and after this call, if you say that what you talked was a bullshit, or something which we knew already, and something which is not productive or which is not helping us, we'll talk on Skype. My Skype is JI Sharma 911989, and if I'm convinced, I'm gonna give you $500 into your PayPal. That's my promise to you. So when I say this call has a lot of value, I mean it, and which is why I'm rewarding. And so please be attentive, and you'll see. Now talk about number. When we say six figure, obviously it's not an easy number for newbie, right? But if you do the math, okay, if you do a sale of just $100, okay, and if you have to make $100,000, how many sales you have to do? Okay, you'll say 1,000 sales in a year, right? That's the kind of sale you have to do. Okay, which means less than 100 sales in 1 month. Now, which is possible? I'm going to tell you again, which is possible with the kind of tool I'm going to present to you. This is Swiss Army knife of online marketing. This is SaaS cloud app. It has all those features, all those tricks, all those strategies, hacks, which is essential for online marketer to fast track their career, to fast track their profits and revenue. Okay, this is something which is proven, which has given us result, and which you'll see in this call. This will triple your sales, and this will triple clicks on your website as well. Now coming back to me, who I am, why you should listen to me. Am I authority? What have I done, so that which makes me authority to give you this value, this education and everything. So I'm one of the fastest guy to do seven-figure business in product launch industry. Into my first year of online career, which was 2015. I was a newbie who got Diviso Top Vendor Award into first year of online career in 2015, and I'm maybe the fastest person to become a premium vendor on Manchai in shortest time, which is kind of Hall of Fame for online marketers. And I'm expert of six-figure software product launches. We always bring out value which help businesses around the world to get more leads, more sales, more profits, more traffic into their business. And I've done consistent six-figure launches, and I'm master of launch funnels. That's what people say about me, my friends, my business partners. So these are the launches which I've done. You can say ranging from Canva Color, AutoPress, Post Leads, or Smart Ad Builder, AutoViral, into Messenger, into graphic editing, Facebook Live, okay, webinars, affiliate stores. So you'll see in each and every niche, I worked. This is my sales track record. This is the award which I got in 2015, and yeah, you'll see my name in blue because I'm a premium vendor. Okay, I'm a big shot. Sorry, it's nothing like that. It's just that I've done a lot of hard work, and that's why I was able to achieve those kind of results, right? And you also can do that. If you listen to me, and if you put hard work and smart work into it. So who I am, what I think of myself. I'm a proud coach of hundreds of students who are doing six-figure yearly or monthly into Shopify, into Kindle, into offline businesses, into crypto space as well. I'm a passionate writer. That's why I do copywriting for all my pages, for all my websites. I'm aspiring filmmaker. I'm innovator, thinker. I'm creative person, and I'm good into predicting online trends. What trends are coming. Like we had a trend of e-com Shopify, we had a trend of crypto. We have different trends, coming up. So I was able to predict all these trends, and we were able to, put our business in flexible ways so that we can survive that trend, and we can cash in big time from those kind of trends. So yeah, and also I'm good into copywriting funnels. And one thing I'm proud of is that I got a luxurious golf fishing villa for my parents 2 years ago, and we never had a home for 25 years. So that was special for me, and that's one of the biggest achievements I have. Not the money, not the fame, nothing, but something which I was able to do for my parents. So that's my biggest achievement, and I'm proud of it. Having said that, I'm still bad into English grammar. That's not my first language, but I'm not proud of it, but I'm working on it, because I speak internationally as well. So you have to, work on things in a way you feel you're lacking. So people ask me how I did business of, over $4 million in short career of 3.5 years. Believe me, guys, it was not easy at all for anyone, who's living into remote part of India to join the league of best marketers of the world. And it was certainly, it was not easy for anyone, whose first language is not English. Whose first language is not English. But nothing stopped me. I kept on learning. It's all about hard work. It's all about action. Yeah, it's not easy for someone whose first language is not English. Nothing stopped me. I kept on learning. It's all about, people say it's all about, you have to put in hard work. You have to work hard day and night. I would say no, it's not just about hard work. Yeah, yes, you have to be hardworking. You have to be consistent and determined, but it's always about actions and smart work. Believe me, guys, it's not just about hard work. There are a lot of marketers, there are a lot of affiliates, who are working day and night, and still they are not able to get, the kind of output they want. And I mean, I have a simple question for you. You're also working, right? There are other people who are working, who are making $1,000, and we see people who are making millions of dollars in the same amount of time. We all have 24 hours. So there must be something which those 7-figure marketers, those 8-figure marketers are doing different from us, right? So what they are doing is smart work, right? We have same amount of time. They are putting efforts in the right way, okay, smartly, and that's how they are making more income, and that's what we'll talk about. If I talk about myself, I was able to capitalize the current trend of online marketing, and I was quick. I'm repeating it. One of the pillars of my success is that I was able to find best traffic and conversion strategies for our online businesses. Yeah, you see, this is one of my favorite picture from the event which we attended in Venice. You see me over here in the right hand corner. You see Ty Cohen over there, and you see the big man Rich Shafran in the left, where arrow is marked. So we were talking, we had this boat party, and we were talking about online industry, we were talking about trends, and how things are going, and we came to this topic that how traditional marketing is dying slow death, how it is not working anymore. It used to work in 2000, people used to make simple page, flash pages and all those stuffs. It used to work in 2010, but today everyone is overloaded with so much of information. Believe me, traditional marketing is this kind of death. You could have website, you could have good content, but let me tell you, having good website is fine, but it does not help to maximize your profit. Having just good content on your website, they can have people engage for a few minutes, but that's not enough to make sales. That's not enough to push your profits 5 times or maybe 10 times, right? Or having just good designers is not enough, right? Traditional marketing alone will not help your business. That's a conclusion, that's a bottom line. When we were talking about this topic in Venice, and everyone agreed for it. And coming to the topic, everyone was discussing about traffic. That traffic is the lifeblood of any business. You need traffic. You get traffic. That's how you make sales. There are millions of people who join online industry every day. And over 99% can't even sell 10 or 20 copies of their product. That, and that's a reality. The reason being, they don't treat their traffic right. 65% of their visitors leave page in first 15 seconds. Human emotion, human attention is less than that of goldfish. You know that. Goldfish has attention span of 7 seconds. Human have 5. And it's going down because we are overloaded with a lot of information. So having just good content won't help. Okay, you have to have sales boosters. Okay, something which bind them, which engage them, which keep them on your website, which push them to make sales. Because in absence of that, what happens when they don't have sense of urgency, they don't, when you don't have lead capture tools, when you're not able to engage, there are no conversion tools, you see drop in sales. Okay, 90% not even to engage with your website, and this is average stats for each and every website. And believe me, every marketer, every online marketer, every affiliate and every website owner wants to make money, right? They want to get maximum out of each and every visitor they get, right? But you need to make an irresistible offer for that, okay, which no one is offering. Your competition is not offering that. You need to make that kind of offer. You should not leave any hole in your site that's leaking commissions, or that's leaking traffic or leads from your system. Okay, you need to use scarcity, and you need to use retargeting as well to ensure that you get most out of each and every visitor, right? You need to get visitor, you need to treat your visitors in right way, so that you can squeeze in maximum profit from those visitors, right? Because again, if selling product was so easy, everyone who's joining online industry would have been billionaire by now, right? So there's some different strategies which all those successful marketers use, and probably you are not using it, or other people who are feeling it maybe not using it. So we have to be smart, we have to follow the trend. Now here's a biggest challenge. All these 7-figure marketers use a lot of apps, right? Like I talked about the sales booster. You get hello bar at the top of your website. You get chat system, you get pop-ups, you get lead pages to make your create pages in few seconds, right? You need proof, review boxes. So these are the kind of sales booster which bind your visitors to your website, which provide more authority to you, convert your visitors into sales. But all these tools, not just what you're seeing on the screen, but all these kind of tools are costly. They're very costly. You can see how much they charge. OptinMonster charge $149 per month. Salesforce charge $300 per month. Thrive Leads $67 per month. Lead Pages $321 per month. Okay, and if you see in proof, $198 per month. It's a costly affair. You also see that. Okay, And it's not easy for everyone, to shell out that kind of money from their pockets like these 7-figure marketers do, to leverage these power tools so that they can increase their sales and everything. It's tough for everyone, and I have a solution for that in this call. So that was an issue which you saw till now, that not everyone is treating traffic on their website right. People are not getting traffic, and one who's getting traffic, how they can increase their sales to 3 times or to 5 times, right? I have a solution for that. You have to be lazy. Okay, you have to be lazy. You have to follow the pattern which is already working for successful marketers. You have to just replicate or duplicate, rinse and repeat that successful strategy. Why you have to put in your brains, when you can just reap the solution which is working and just duplicate it, and just follow what's working for others. Look what, and I'll show you what that duplication, or what that replication, when you do it and you implement it, what results you can get. Now you see on the screen, and we do have video proof of this as well. I'm going to show you in a short while. You see Vipul and Yogesh, these are from LetX team. They made over $50,000 into affiliate promotions using LetSetCom. You see the figures over here. They are constantly, and they also made 11,275 leads as well. Okay, so you see these are the kind of results people have got when using all these sales booster, all these strategies and hacks. Okay, then there are others as well. Now you see over here today's affiliates snapshot. They made $994, and before that, when they were not using LetSetCom, all these sales booster, they made just $226. Okay, earnings. So there was $700 more, and they got more clicks, they got more sales as well. And same goes for other as well, who use LetSetCom, like Dan Newton's used it, Victory is using it, I used it. I made $7,800 into one of the promos in 7 days. And there was a vast difference, because before that I was making $2,000, maybe $1,000. I was able to tap that traffic. I was able to squeeze out maximum out of that traffic. Now I have one page. I'll show you the videos. We are just not talking about the snapshots, because anyone can fake nowadays, right? You know that. But videos, when we log into our account, we log into our PayPal account, we log into our marketplaces account, and we show you numbers, and you see that HTTPS, that means we are not bluffing, right? We are telling you the truth. And you'll see our campaigns into LetSetCom as well, so that that in the last 6 months or last 1 year, how much we have made using this app alone. And not just marketers like us, the companies like vCommission, which is one of the biggest affiliate promotion company on planet, they also use LetSetCom. Thousands of affiliates in vCommission use LetSetCom, to boost their promo, to get more profits out of it. You can see one of the snapshots from their accounts. You see the sales of over $100,000. You see the transactions as well from year, and this is just one of the accounts of this company. Okay, so what I'm about to tell you is a solution that eliminates all those requirements to make handsome commissions, and profits. And you don't have to shell out thousands of dollars, right? You don't have to create any product. You don't have to drive any extra traffic. And you don't have to spend extra on any technology. You don't have to do things again and again, repeat it to get it successful, because you have LetSetCom. This is world's best sales booster. This is like Swiss knife of online marketing, having 13 sales booster, which will help you get more traffic, more sales, more engagement, more authority on your website. And we have step-by-step video tutorial for this as well. There's a proper YouTube channel, where you'll have all these videos on how you can squeeze maximum out of your website using each and every sales booster. This will triple sales and click on your website. What you have to do is just add one simple line of code, that script, on a website, and all those 13 sales booster will be visible on your website, and you can switch on and off, and you can use them and make some profit. Now this product, LetSetCom, came from LetX, this venture-backed firm, which is backed by Asia's largest and one of the largest affiliate marketing network in the world, vCommission. And this is a SaaS company which is known for their best design. They have won a lot of awards as well, and they are known for great customer support. They're featured on CNN and multiple publications as well. The CEO, Vipul Garg, he's a good friend of mine. He's co-partner in this launch. Okay, so he's known for his technical skills, and he's the hardcore guy behind this product. So you can expect great support. You can expect more feature from us, which will help you boost your business, get more profit from your business. So Vipul himself, LetX himself, they have generated over $50,000 and over 11,000 leads using just 1 line copy-paste code. And they just did 5 minutes of work every day. Just make bonus page, replicate it, do affiliate promotions. That was easy for them, from past few months. And we have tested it with not just one, we have tested it with a lot of affiliates, over 100 affiliates. And on an average, we saw the sales boost by 3 times more, and even the clicks as well on the website. We have 10 proven marketing hacks, which was used only by top marketers till now. Like top marketers like Ryan Dodge, Shafran, like Russell Brunson. So all those, Emmy Porterfield, all those marketing hacks are inside this one. This is with hundreds of real user results. You will see on our website as well. And I'm going to share videos, as well, of people showing their dashboard where they got income and before and after change using LetSetCom. You can reclaim 70% of your lost website traffic using one or 1 or 2 sales booster, which we're going to show you. We can build your list 5 times more faster. Okay, you can encash scarcity. You can show coupons, offers, discount to close most sales, and you can stop the user from leaving your website. I mean, by engaging them, you'll have world's best and fastest affiliate promotion page builder. And let me tell you, on the top of that LetSetCom will host your pages for you. So even if you don't have any website, don't worry about it. You don't need to have any domain. You don't need to have website or hosting. Okay, you just make page over here, do the affiliate promotions, and we'll host your page 100% for free, as long as you want it. Now I'm going to talk about all these 13 sales boosters, so you'll see how it will grow your sales, clicks, and conversions. So first, coming to traffic boosters. Okay, we have traffic boosters, we have engagement boosters, we have sales booster, we have authority boosters. So we have all those kind of boosters, which out of which one you're seeing on the screen, and we're gonna show you the demo as well. So you see traffic booster, you see sales booster, you see lead generation and scarcity boosters, you see conversion boosters, social proof boosters. So we have all these kind of boosters which we're going to talk about, and I'm going to show you demo as well, by going into dashboard, and we'll see how to make these boosters and real life example of it on website as well, how they're going to get you more traffic, more sales. So starting with the tab messaging. Now this is something which only Facebook use, on only very few websites use it, and they have put in hundreds of thousands of dollars to make it work. You can retrieve 70% of your lost traffic by enabling tab messaging on your website. And it's very important because everyone nowadays, they have on an average 5 tabs open, right? And people don't go back to tab, but when you have a message blinking on tab, it's kind of pointer which catches attention, and it wants you to come back to the tab and see what's the message there. That's what happened with Facebook, right? So you can use tab messaging to retrieve the 70% of your lost traffic, and no other application in the world is giving this feature right now. Okay, this is first tab messaging technology only presented in LetSetCom. Then we have autoplay videos. Recently what Chrome did, now this is very important because recently Chrome disabled autoplay videos, and that has slashed income of affiliates and vendors, online product owners, online website owners by four times. So this is chance for you to reclaim that traffic, to reclaim that sales, because video play a vital role, and it's best to use autoplay videos, and only with LetSetCom you can do that. And there's other other competitors as well, but you'll see how much they charge. Vidilo, they charge $280 per year. Okay, over here you're gonna see the price of LetSetCom as in bundle, as in Power Major app suite, having autoplay video, just a feature for which Vidilo is charging $280. Okay, Then we have advanced URL targeting. Okay, so you can choose from a campaign which page to exclude, which page to include. Like suppose if you're getting traffic from Facebook, where to send that page. If you're getting traffic from Google, where to send that traffic, okay, those visitors. So you can target URL, and you can make certain rules, which is easy to make, and it always help to get most targeted traffic, to identify which visitors are working, which kind of traffic is working for you, which source is working for you. So that always help. Then we have sales boosters. Okay, so you can create your affiliate page builder. This is one-click affiliate page builder. You have any of the offer, you get that URL, you put into LetSetCom, and you'll get your own affiliate page, using that page on which you can put all these 13 sales booster. You can put timer on that, you can put time messaging on that, you can put a CTA bar on that, you can put review books on that, you can put anything and everything. And that's one-click affiliate page builder. You have to just create your campaign using others pages, using vendor pages, and your affiliate link will be hard-coded on the top of that. How easy it is, right? And it will be made in such a way that you can do Facebook promotions, you can do promotions in a group, you can do promotions in a forum without getting banned, and everyone into affiliate marketing world, they take 15 minutes, minimum half an hour to create affiliate pages. Over here, you will create it, with just a click in less than 5 minutes. Now, if you have to get the same kind of technology, you have lead pages as well, which charge you $321, and you have unbounce as well, which charge on an average $419 per month. You see, that's the pricing for one-click affiliate page builder, where you can just click and edit, but you have this affiliate page builder in LetSetCom. Now we have bonus pop as well. It happens all the time, when you have bonuses, you want to offer them, so that you can get more sales, but it's not easy to get all those bonuses in one place every time. In LetSetCom, you can have bonus stack, and you can have bonus pop-up on the page of on the top of page. Whenever everyone or anyone of your website visitor is leaving, you can open that pop-up, and you can have all those bonuses over there, which will grab their attention, which will make them to stick there and get your offer. Okay, then we have advanced campaign management. You can edit, archive, pause, or activate your campaign in just one click. Okay, any of the campaign which is working, you might want to repeat it, you might want to duplicate it and make it work, and the campaign which is not working, you might want to pause it or archive it. Right now, going back to bonus pop-up, one thing which I forgot to tell you is that no other solution in this market is present when it comes to bonus pop-up the way we are giving it, and the same goes for advanced campaign management as well. Now coming to detailed reporting and stats, whenever you have the campaign making, you want to analyze your campaign and see where your visitors are coming from, which visitor is buying, from where visitors are not buying. It could be geographical as well, it could be from browser based as well, from different platforms, Facebook, Google, from different forums. So you might want to concentrate more on the platforms, the source of traffic which is giving you more sales, and invest there more, and you might want to reduce and remove all other traffic sources. This will help you in business. This will help you invest wisely. It will help you get more sales in less work. This is why this detailed reporting and stats is very important, and there's no competition in market like we have these kind of features. Then we have lead generation and scarcity booster. Are you with me? We have seen traffic boosters, we have seen sales booster. We are moving to lead generation and scarcity booster, which is very essential on your website, because they make sure that you get more, you retain more traffic on your website, you get more customers into your list, okay, and people stay more on your website to make purchase, make sales, and you convince them in the best way possible. That's why we have lead generation and scarcity booster. We have exit intent, okay. And it's just not exit intent, it's the exit map, which opens up on your page, on the top of your page. So whenever your visitor is leaving, you can show them something very exciting as an offer wise, and you'll see 200% more action on your website because of this. Now, when it comes to the competition in this market, who are giving you same technology, you have Privy, which is charging $219 per month. You have Upton Monster, they are charging $149 per month, and you have Tribe Leads, which is charging $67 per month. You see how much they're charging for this technology of exit intent, of exit map. So that's the power of exit intent technology, and that's just one part in LetSetCom. And now you have central timers because scarcity sales. You might have seen a lot of apps regarding timers, but I mean, personally, I've also invested into apps in the past where we need timers as in scarcity tool on pages to get more action. But the issue is when you have timer on each and every page, you have suppose 10 pages on a website, and if you need timers on all of them, it's not easy to maintain them. It gets to zero, it gets to negative, and then you have to manage it again, you have to go on page, so it's not easy. So that's why what you need is a central timer. There should be a dashboard where you just change time, and it should be reflected on each and every page on your website or on your different websites as well, right? So that's why, to solve that problem, we have central timers as one of the sales booster into LetSetCom. If you see what others are charging into the market, ConvertBox and Deadline Funnel, they are charging $219 per month, they are charging $97 per month, right? And you have that as one of the parts into LetSetCom, the central timer. You will have multiple timer template, you will see high converting timer templates as well. You can manage scarcity to the pages by using these timers. Then we have conversion boosters. Okay, so we have hello bars. First of all, the hello bar you can put at the bottom of the page, you can put at the top of the page, the right hand side or on the left hand side as well. Okay, you see hello bar is charging $360 per year for this, and that too very basic features. We have advanced feature of it. So promo bars works great when you have to deliver some additional information. You want them to stick to the page so that any of the visitor see that, and it remains in their site always whenever they are scrolling to the website. Okay, so you can put call to action to your promo bars, you can add timers to promo bars, and these are one of the best tools for interaction, for on-page engagement, engagements, and to get more clicks going on your website as well. So hello bar. And what's better than hello bar? Hello bar with the timer. Okay, so we have hello bar with the timer as well. This was one of the feature which was recommended by one of our beta users, that I want to use timer as well apart from CT and hello bar. Please make it for us, and we did it. So you have more chances, because when you have a timer on hello bar and hello bar remains stick at the bottom, suppose, and person is scrolling through a page, so timer will always be inside of that person, and that scarcity will push that visitor to take action as much as possible if you have a right content on hello bar. So, and if you see Deadline Funnel, they are charging $97 per month for the same thing. Okay, you will be able to recover lost sales, you will be able to keep website visitors engaged using hello bar with a timer. Now coming to Sales Proof Booster, we have so many features, right? So you must be overwhelmed that we have so many things to offer in this Sales Booster suite. There's a reason why we said that this is world's best Sales Booster suite, and you're seeing right now. In Social Proof Booster, we have review boxes because review always help you get more authority. If anyone is backing what you have done, if they are giving you proof, it's kind of testimonial which help you get more sales. It help you get more trust with your visitors. It's established that proof to the close visitors. So it's always good to have review. More Vago and Proof, they charge $119 per month, $197 per month for the same thing. And you'll see the kind of review boxes we have. They are really beautiful. I'm going to show you in that in a demo in short while. And testimonials as well. They work in the same way. They build more trust. It helps you get that kind of authority in front of visitor. If you are giving great service to your past customers, it will help you get more sales, and that's why you can use testimonial box. You see again, more Vago is charging $197 per month for the same thing, which is just one of the sales booster in LetSetCom. Now we have two new features, which I want to talk about. They are not present anywhere. One is back navigation. This works great for affiliate marketers. You can control the flow of your visitor on your website. Suppose you got any of the visitor from Facebook, right? But when they click on the back button, you want to send them to another exit offer. You can do that using back navigation. This is one smart strategy which works great for affiliate marketers, which work for website owners, who want to showcase different offers to their website visitors. And we have an advanced link clocker. People spend, I've seen people spending close to $500 per month for clocking their links, so that they can hide it from Facebook and Google. They don't get blocked. They need deep masking. They don't want others to see their sources, their referrer, right? So you can do everything and everything and anything. You can personalize, you can shrink, you can clock, track, organize, you can manage all your links using advanced link clocker, which is present into LetSetCom. Now you see, you can instantly replace those hefty, costly, expensive apps which are charging you $1,000, maybe more, yearly or monthly, and they don't even give you that kind of desired results. You can replace them by having just single dashboard of LetSetCom and one low time price, which I'm going to talk about later on, after showcasing you demo and other proofs as well. And it works on each and every platform. It integrates with WooCommerce, it integrates with WordPress, OptimusPress, ClickFunnels, Lead Pages. In any of the marketplaces, it works with each and every website, HTML, Shopify store as well, into WordPress. You name any of the platform, any of the major platform, LetSetCom works with that platform easily. Now, special announcement, and be very attentive now. In this call, especially in this call, everyone who's attending right now, I'm gonna give commercial license included for free, so that you guys can run clients campaign from your own dashboard without any limitation, and it will take you a few minutes to set up all these boosters, sales booster, right? And you can charge them $100 to $500 per month, or you can charge them one-time fee, maybe $500, $1,000, whatever you want. And this is one of the sources, this is one of the way how you will create six-figure income in next 12 months. This is one of the ways, commercial license, which we talked earlier. Now, I'm going to talk more about that later on, but before that, I seriously want to compare with the competitors who are doing very well into market, right? We are not fly-by applications by any of the newbie team. We are seasoned marketer. We have a great track record. We have won awards as well as a marketer, as a team, for the products, for our UI, for the support, and we deliver best output, every time possible. And we compete. We make sure that we remain ahead of our competition every time. So our software speak for ourselves. And if we compare, if we just compare what LetSetCom has and what competitors are offering, you'll see in tab messaging there no competition in this market right now. Okay, this is one of the major sales booster for which Facebook and other major marketers, they spend hundreds of thousands of dollars to make this working. In advanced URL targeting, there's no competition as such. At affiliate page builder, you see Lead Pages and Unbounce, they're charging $300, over $500, $400 per month, right? On bonus pop-ups, the kind of variations we have, that's not present in the market. Advanced campaign management as well, detailed reporting and stats as well, so that you can identify best sources of your traffic. Again, invest there. Exit intent, we have much more advanced and easy to use exit intent, exit maps as well. And here, Privy, Opt-in Monster, Thrive Leads, they are charging way much more, $290 per month, $149 per month, $67 per month, right? You see timer over here, we have central time, as we know, which is way much better than the existing applications into the market, and they're charging $219 per month, they're charging $97 per month as well. You see Hello Bar over here, Hello Bar, again, convert box, Hello Bar, they're charging $360 per year, they're charging $290 per month. And Hello Bar with the timer, review boxes, all of these features are present in LetSetCom, and with a central dashboard, you just have to add one line to your website instead of having all those multiple dozens of scripts on your website, for which you pay thousands of dollars and you don't get output, and these scripts clash with each other as well, and if you're not technical, it's very hard to maintain. That's not going to happen. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars because you have LetSetCom with you. Okay. Now, this is your profit pulling machine, which you can start in less than 5 minutes. You can get 3 to 5 times more sales into your business. You can make your list 5 times faster. You can reclaim 70% of your lost traffic. You can send traffic to high ticket on complete autopilot once you have identified which kind of traffic works for you, right? and you'll get much more sales. In that way, you can optimize your expenses into traffic as well. When you're posting on forums, you know where to invest more of your time. Okay, so it will be easy for you to make 5 to 6 figure income using, if you know what's working for you. Plus, you have commercial license as well. You can set campaigns for your clients. You can charge them $100, $500, whatever, the best way you can negotiate, and you can do justice to the traffic, to the visitors, and you can, to the efforts, and you can be a smart marketer. So you no more you have to lose money and efforts. You don't have to worry about sales anymore. You don't have to worry about leaking traffic anymore. You don't have to spend hours to make an optimized page. You don't have to put in your head into complicated software, learn it and spend time, spend thousands of dollars. You don't have to worry about that. Even in fact, you don't need a website at all. You don't need website, you don't need domain as well. So no hosting, no website, no domain, and everything will be taken care into LetSetCom. You just have to put the page which you want to promote, and we'll give you a link. That page will be hosted in LetSetCom, and it's 100% free page hosting. So it's easy for you, right? That's what you have to do. Now, what you're getting in a nutshell. Before I get into it, we are about to see demo in few minutes, and we are just looking at what LetSetCom gives you when you see in nutshell, right? As an outsider, this is future proofing of your business with a peace of mind, because you don't have to deal with dozens of apps. You're getting sales on autopilot. You're getting perfect lead generation system here. You're getting instant traffic sources. You're getting boosters to convert more leads into sales. The most effective conversion channel is in present of you with the name LetSetCom. Okay, it alone puts dozens of those apps to shame with such a wide variety of features, and all these features, all these sales booster is an app in itself. We have seen how much others are charging, right? And this is just a part of LetSetCom, and that's why we say that LetSetCom is Swiss knife of online marketing. It triples your sales on your website and clicks as well. And you've seen we have generated over $50,000, over 11,000 leads using just one line of code. And Vipul and team are working just 5 minutes of work, day every day. From past few months, where they used to put in a lot of efforts to make affiliate pages, promotion pages, this and that. It's very easy for them. Now you must be thinking this looks overhyped, this looks overpromised, right? Because so many things, so many boosters, where others are charging hundreds of dollars. Why everything is in one package, one suit, and we are saying that we'll give it in very low, one low time price, because this looks overhyped and overpromised, right? Because I'm actually getting a message on the same thing. Now let me tell you, no, this is not overhyped. We will deliver what we are committing over here. So are you ready for the demo? You have to pay close attention, because this is a game changer for your business. And I'm going to invite Vipul here, who's going to get through the dashboard. He'll show you how to set up your campaigns, and he will show you on each and every website how each and every sales booster will look like. Okay, so this is an easy to use solution. Remember, we have done it. We have got results. Victory has got results. We commission, one of the biggest affiliate network, got results, and over 1,000 affiliates use it and they got the results. We have videos as well. We got dashboard testimonials as well. We can go inside their dashboard and we can see that with their permission, they have recorded video for us. So there are plenty of proofs to showcase you. But now it's time for you to see a demo video and feel how powerful this app is.
Hey everyone, this is Vipul from Team TEDx, and I'm quickly showing up this demo for the new app called LetSetCom that we have been practically using for I think over a year now to do all of the promos that we have so far. So ideally, anytime when you want to do any kind of an affiliate promotion or a product promotion, it actually takes a lot of time from you to create a lot of pages and then add all of those conversion boosters to your page, which may help you drive more conversions, build your list faster, and actually drive sales as well. But we always wanted to know that what is the best way to actually do it. So we ended up making this dashboard for ourselves to actually do all of it in just minutes, and I'm gonna showcasing you all of it right now to tell you how can you exactly build up pages like these, perhaps, so you see we have got so many products that we have promoted, or so many products that we actually own, and we have always relied upon LetSetCom to build pages for ourselves in just minutes, and these pages actually end up converting way better than those other ones as well. And do not really be amazed when these pages convert really best. So you see, we did all of this page, in our game with this, all of this exit mat in just minutes, and I'm going to be showcasing you exactly how can you do this in a few minutes, on a daily basis if you ever want to do it. So without doing any further ado, let's come back to the dashboard and let me show you the dashboard up over here. It's the LetSetCom dashboard, wherein you see all your daily stats and the summaries, and the last few campaigns that you may have had created. So what I'm going to do is right now quickly go to create new, and let me first show you something called tab messaging. It's a really kick-ass feature, and I personally love this. What it does is it helps you bring visitors back to your page. So what I'm going to do is, let's say I'm going to say test demo campaign, and I could generate some random text as well, if you want to generate some random text, or you can just say, hey, you want to type it yourself, and you can also upload a favicon if you want to do it. I'm going to use something from my own library because I have a lot of them over here. So you can practically do all of it. You can also kind of click on add new if you want to do further messages. So, and you can just say, hey, please don't leave, and just use any of the favicons out there, and then you can customize the settings. So you can say, I want to get the first one in the 2 seconds, I want to get the next one in the 4 seconds, and as soon as you click on next, you can just say you can practically enter the URL of the page that you have in the contains tag. I'm displaying this up on this URL over here on one of my websites. So I'm going to be entering this keyword that I have in the URL over here, and I'm just going to click on go ahead and click save, and the campaign is like live in real time. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead, refresh the page. Likely, I'm gonna exactly show you how does it look like, so how what chances does it make for you to be able to bring your visitors back. Now just imagine if I'm on this page, I'm just scrolling by the page, and but what people often tend to do is they kind of move to new tabs, and when they move to new tabs, they obviously want to be brought back to those tabs, and you see, whoop, I got a message. It says, shouldn't love me, ? With a stop sign, and it says, hey, please don't leave. So such kind of interactive messages in the tab really work to bring the visitor back to your website, and they really work very kick-ass to help you ramp up your conversions by recovering your lost traffic. Now let me get into the other sales element. Perhaps let me show you a header bar with a timer, likely. So let me just say demo camp. Maybe and you have this template, so basically it's the position of the timer in the template. So let me use this one particularly, and let me just click on hello bar text. It says exclusive deal. Excuse me for the spelling. I'm just it's just kind of really hard to type in when you're speaking. Yep. So in this one, I want to keep the position as bottom. I want to keep the CTA text as claim deal. Right, and as soon as someone clicks there, I want to redirect them to my offer page or something like that. I can use a timer template like this, and I want to keep a date and time based timer, right? And I can keep the ending date as this. Anything can be this. I just simply say hide the timer. I can choose on customizing it, but I can also view the update or preview right over here. So I can just say exclusive deal for LetX buyers only for today. Right, and I can click on saying that how it's going to look like. So I'm just going to click on next. Maybe just add my settings over here, and as soon as I click save, you'll see that it will be updated in real time, and it's like a very kick-ass promo bar that you can now put up over there. Now you can obviously make this a lot more beautiful. You have all full customization options out there. But here is out it goes. It's just live in real time, right? And it's gonna be displayed in real time and be there for every visitor. Now we have also got several type of timers that you can play across, and all the type of customizations that you can do obviously over there. So this is how you can put up a hello bar plus timer on your page in just ease. Similarly, what you can also do is you can create a central timer, embed that timer anywhere, and you can use one of these timers. We have multiple options and templates over here. Right, so you can actually go ahead and do all of it out there. So what I'm going to do is click on go to back navigation. Now this is a very kick-ass thing as well. Now let's say demo camp again, right? And I'm just gonna, let's say google.com, right? Now what's going to happen with this is as soon as someone visits my website through any kind of a URL, and if they click on the back navigation over there, what's going to do is it's going to actually redirect those people to the website of my own choice. So if people are bouncing off, I have an option to take them to a drip page or a squeeze page and give them another chance to kind of stop. So I'm just going to click on back over here and see it takes me to google.com. It's because I added google.com over there out there as well. So that's one of the another kick-ass elements that we have got out here. So if I show you up another one, it's called exit mat. It's like a full page exit layover which comes over when someone is trying to exit the website. Again, it works really great out there. So I can just keep anything as my background type. I can keep my headline something like hey wait, I have a deal for you, right? Sub headline can be, this is a very special offer that we have put together for you, right? And I can use any kind of a media type or any kind of a library, but let me just go ahead and kind of pull in any some media from over here. So I can just enter the embed code of it. So I'm gonna go and generate the embed code, or maybe I can just use something from here only. So I just click on copy embed code. Right, I add the embed code over here. I can add sub headline saying very special for you, and I can add, see this guy say claim the offer. And when someone clicks on the offer, I want to redirect them to, let's say, letx.co, which is my website. And for no thanks, I can add my no thanks text. I can say what happens when someone clicks on no thanks. You can say close the pop-up or something like that. Now, if someone clicks on close button, you can obviously click them. And you also have the option to kind of customize the entire styling. Now, that's obviously maybe a part of one of the upgrades out there, but this is how it's going to look like. And you can obviously customize all of it if you want to customize this over, right? But what I'm going to do is, just for the sake of a demo right now, I'm just going to click on next, add the setting at the page perhaps where I want to show it, and boom, it's like live in real time. You don't have to add a code every time you're creating an element or something like that. As soon as you create it, it's like live out there, right over there. So if I'm going to try to exit from this page, what it's going to do is perhaps show me an exit mat, which is going to kind of stop me up. So I move out, you see it gives me this exit mat and clearly kills me the button to kind of click on no thanks or kind of click on claim the offer. Now, which is a very kick-ass thing, guys. It actually helps you stop your people from exiting out of the website and actually brings them back to your page as well. Now, one of the other options that we have got over here is something called autoplay videos. It's a very kick-ass feature. What you can do with this is now if you know, Chrome has kind of blocked all the autoplay videos on the page, which is kind of a very big sales killer. So using this, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and let's say demo camp. And you can just enter the video URL over here. So I can enter the video URL from here itself, right? And as soon as I click on save, I can just go ahead and say I want to allow autoplay, I want to allow full screen. Now you add the condition over here, and as soon as I click send, it will be live in real time. I've already done this before, so I'm gonna be just refreshing the page for you guys to know. So it's gonna look like this, and it just says tap on video to enable sound. The video is auto playing. As soon as I click on tap, it's gonna play the sound as well. But let me stop that out for now. So this is how the autoplay video also works like. Let me move ahead and show you more elements that we have. So I showed a central timer already. We have hello bar, we have hello bar plus timer, we have tab messaging, which is kind of really kick-ass thing. You see the messages coming over here, or even now. Then we have back navigation, we have exit mat, and then there's this something really beautiful, something called bonus pop-up. In this bonus pop-up, what you can do is, you see, as a marketeer, you want to often give bonuses out there to people, but what is the best way to do it? We kind of identified that, and we say that the best way to do it is by showing the bonuses up on the page itself. So you do have kind of two templates. You can choose a fixed template, or you can use a customizable template. I personally prefer the fixed one. So what you do is simply upload the images of your bonuses, right? and just put them over one by one, under each other. You can also drag drop them to kind of arrange them if you want to do that. And it asks you how do you want to show your pop-up. So I usually prefer the chiclet option in the right center, and I say special bonuses perhaps. In the headline I say again special bonuses for LetX. In the CTA text I can say claim access. In the redirect URL I can just send them to any website as you want to, and then you can obviously customize them as well. But we have got the preset styling already in place. So this one is going to look like if someone is going to click over there. But so what I'm going to do is simply click on next, and you can obviously choose all the level there. It's like fully customizable. And as soon as I click on save, it will be saved in real time and also triggered in real time. So I'm going to go back to the page and show you how does it look like. You see, I've got this chiclet over here which says special bonuses. If I click on the special bonuses, it gives me a view of all the special bonuses that I have, and it's all in real time, guys. You just press one time enter over there. So you see, creating a campaign is really easy, and it actually helps you boost the conversion up to a great level. So this is like something really, really kick-ass. Now what I can also do is perhaps use all of those on any of the elements, and use a one-click affiliate page builder, something like that. But before that, I want to show you review boxes. It's one of the another kick-ass features. So with this, what you do is you simply let's say you say demo camp, and so you basically enter the name of the person who's reviewing the website. So it can be myself, Vipul Garg, yours truly. So and then it asks me if you have something to upload. So let me just upload something from my own library. Maybe I can search my own image out there. Hang on, just give me 1 second. Just searching an image of myself. Yeah, I got it. So there you go. I am just uploading my image out there. I'm already there now. So you can choose something like parameter based or testimonial based. I want to say, let's say testimonial based. Let me enter my position out there. And I would say this is one of the best apps we have done so far. And you can also put up a third-party testimonial. Obviously, I'm just actually let's look like this. Claim access, and and you can obviously put up the CTA styling over there. So CTA text can be, let's say 21, and when someone clicks over there, you can practically enter any website out there, and you can also show up a review on how it looks like. I can obviously go ahead and change the text and the background and everything. So I can just say update preview, and you see it is how it's going to look like, right? And I can just go ahead and see the background color. Okay, I think it'll be better. So oh yeah, so this is how it's gonna look like. So I can just click on go next and show up on any page, right? As soon as I click on save, it's like saved in real time, and I can just go ahead and refresh over here, and I'll see the review box going live up over here. Okay, I'm sorry about this. This is this hello bar, which I think should have been on the top, but this is how the review box looks like. I can obviously go ahead and switch the hello bar off or put it on the top of the page so that it looks really kick-ass out everywhere, right? So what I'm going to do is kind of switch this campaign off for now. Yeah, so this is how I showed you something about review box. Now when you're done with review box, you can practically use it to create any one-click affiliate page builder as well. So let me just go ahead and kind of create an affiliate page builder. So I'll say demo camp, and you can practically put up any of your maybe, what do you call it, any of your affiliate URLs over here. So something like that, but I'm gonna put something like of our own URL. You can upload a favicon if you want to upload a favicon. You can use a tab messaging if you want to use tab messaging. You can use a hello bar if you want to use. You can use a hello bar with timer. You can use a bonus pop-up, right? You can use an exit mat. You just switch it on, right? And out of all the campaigns that you have made, it asks you which ones do you want to use, and it's gonna put all of them over there, right? So you just click on next, give your own page or your own social share meta title, meta description, keep your white label domain name, right? Or keep this LetSetCom domain name. White label is a part of something. So out there, so you can just say maybe test 1 2 3, and obviously you can keep it as a brand name as well. So I'm just gonna write something random over here, and as soon as I click on save, it's gonna give me the URL. So on this URL, what it's gonna do is it's gonna open the LetSetCom website with my affiliate link out there and put up all the elements live on there, right? So you see it's got the element, it's got the exit map, it just came up, right? If we move to the next tab, it's going to put up the tab messaging as well out there, right? And when you do anything like that, so it's got everything over there, right? You also see the special bonuses pop up, so it really works kick-ass. So you see, creating all of the elements is really easy. It just takes hardly 1 minute to create any of the elements. When you're done creating any of the elements, you can put up all of those elements on one of your affiliate pages as well, and it really works perfect. So this is how you can practically do any of the things. It helps you boost your clicks like in real time. We have made over $50,000 using this same technique, and I think it works perfect. It is a must-have app for anyone marketing online, because it's kind of an essential toolkit, rather I would call it like that, that you certainly need. So this is all I have for the demo. Cheers, and look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thank you.
So you saw the demo, and I'm sure you felt, you felt the heat. You saw how powerful this app is, right? Now, talking about the bonuses, you saw that this app puts all of those dozens of apps to shame, right? Who are charging you $100 per month, $500 per month, yearly, and you're getting each and everything into LetSetCom. This is one vital app which each and every affiliate marketer, each and every website owner need, to flourish their business, to grow their business, to get more sales, leads, and traffic into this system, right? And to do justice to it, by converting it, by engaging more people on their website. So not just LetSetCom, everyone who's attending this webinar call, this training value call, I'm going to give gifts to you. I'm going to give more bonuses to you apart from the gifts, the bonuses, and the promises which I've done in the starting of the call. So if you take LetSetCom today, I'm going to give 1 year WordPress website hosting free for 3 domains. Although you don't need domains if you're using LetSetCom for promotions, but if you have your websites, if you have domains, I'm going to give 3 domain hosting free for website sites, okay? And I have a secret bonuses just for you. If you have, you have to go to this link, imjsharma.com/60 premium software bonuses. These are bonuses, 60 premium software only for the customers, only for visitors, who are in this webinar. This link is secret. And now we have special bonuses. You see Selling Messenger, Messenger chat box. This is approved application from Facebook. Officially Facebook approved application. This is one of my software. You're gonna get 3 months account free in Selling Messenger right now. You can do sales in Messenger. You can do customer support, each and everything, getting more leads and everything right inside Messenger chat box on your website. You can do each and everything, all those sales process, lead process right inside Messenger. So that is a special bonus over here. Plus you get let clicks, using which you can get more traffic from Facebook. They have to just, when they click on any of the images, they will be redirected to any of the offer you want. So you get 3 months account free, plus let reach, using which you can send push notification in browser to your website visitors. And these are the apps from LetX team. Plus we'll give you 50 high converting templates of timers, of bonus pop-ups, of promo bars, of all these sales booster, especially for people who are attending this webinar. And we have all those high converting templates. Now, coming to money back guarantee, you might be thinking that that's a too good to be true sound deal, right? And what if I go inside it and don't find what was promised, or if I see that it's not something which my business need? So we have 180 days money back ironclad guarantee. I'm going to repeat it, 180 days. No one in this industry give such kind of guarantee except me, because I believe in our software, we believe in quality, and we believe that if you're not able to generate income from our software even in 6 months, then we don't deserve your money. Certainly, because you don't deserve it, this software as well, if you are not able to generate money using it in 6 months, if you're not able to put in that kind of effort. So that's why we have 180 days money back guarantee, because we are not after money, we are after getting more customers, getting more brand name, getting more exposure, getting more successful, because your success is our testimony. And that's why we have this ironclad guarantee. So you can buy with confidence, and there's no risk involved. If you see that it's not working even on 179 day, even on 180th day from here on in 6 months, you can get in touch with me, with our team, and we'll give you a refund with a smile. Now, if you see LetSetCom in a nutshell, what you're getting, you see one line of copy paste code on any of the landing page. You put that, you'll see sales and clicks growing 3 times faster. This is one-time payment only, which I'm going to talk about how much that is. There's no monthly fees involved, nothing after this one. You can make $5,000 to $10,000, every week with LetSetCom, because it has a commercial license included. It's a cloud-based app. You can use tab messaging to retrieve 70% lost traffic. You have autoplay video, which gives you 3 times more sale. You have central timer, because scarcity sales, it gets you twice sales. You have review boxes to increase trust and authority. You have exit maps to get 200% more clicks on website. You have promo bars to get 3 times more clicks on your website, and on-page engagement as well. You have promo bar with a timer as well, with call to action button to get 4 times more sales. You have bonus builder, okay, 1-click bonus builder. You have 1-click page builder as well. In 1 click you can make your affiliate page, you can make your promotion page. How cool is that, right? People invest thousands of dollars, into lead pages, into other applications, and everything is a part here in just LetSetCom. You can build your page to promote your offers without any pain. It will be a matter of just adding just 1 line of code in just 5 minutes. You have advanced URL targeting as well, so that you can bring best targeted traffic to your website, to your offers. You have advanced link clocker as well, so you can personalize, shrink, clock, track, organize, and manage all your links from just one dashboard. You have back navigation as well, so you can control the flow of your traffic, and you can get more out of each and every website visitor. You can see detailed reporting and stats of all your campaigns, and you can decide on which traffic sources you have to invest, and that will be very good for you. Now, LetSetCom works in every niche, and you don't have to install anything, you don't have to host anything. All is done in cloud by us. Like I've said earlier, you don't even need domain or hosting or anything. Everything will be done in LetSetCom for you. This is newbie friendly. We have tested it, so there's no technical skills required, nothing at all, and it works with each and every page builder on this planet, and each and every e-com card as well. In fact, we have a Shopify app as well. For Shopify users, we have WordPress plugin, so that you can leverage all these features into your WordPress website as well. It works with all major apps. We have done integration with Zapier, so you can integrate it with 150 major apps in the world. So limit is sky. I mean, sky is the limit over here. You have oriented, rich video training over here, in which you learn, how you can get more out of LetSetCom using each and every sales booster. Plus, we are giving you premium support. We'll reply to you in 30 minutes. And commercial licenses as well, using which you can make 5,000 to 10,000 every week. You can use our sales material as well. You can get more clients, and you can handle their campaigns as well. Like I said, LetSetCom is world strongest sales booster suite, and we have monopoly in this market, because there are a lot of sales booster like tab messaging, bonus pop-up. We have so many like back navigation. We have so many sales booster which is not present into any of the application till now. We are the first one, to get anything like that. And this is a SaaS cloud app, and like I've told you earlier, this is like a Swiss Army knife of online marketing, which each and every website visitor, each and every website owner, and each and every affiliate marketer need. This will triple your sales. This will increase clicks on your website, okay? Because we have seen, as in stat-wise, that it has generated over $6.7 million in revenue and over 200,000 leads, for our clients, our user, to be precise, over 13,500 user. What they did, they just got 1-line script code, and they added it into their website, and it was easy for them. It was like a 5 minutes of work each and every day, and it worked for them. Now you must be thinking, that okay, this offer is very good, right? And the others are charging hundreds of dollars, per month, or they're charging thousands of dollars. So how much we are charging, right? So there's a good news for it. You don't need to pay hefty monthly fee now. Okay, you don't have to pay in one time 4,000, 5,000, not like that, not even $1,000 for that, because other may be charging, but we want to get more name for this app. This we have present in this market with the aim that we want more people to join us, so that we can get more testimonials, and we can spread this tool. And the way we have got results, we want you to get results, so that you can become our live testimony. So that's one of the major roles of LetSetCom. Now, coming to how much. This is the price you're seeing right now. It's just for today. Everyone who's attending this webinar, this call right now, this special price is just for you. And on the top of that, you'll get LetSetCom plus all those premium bonuses, which we talked about. WordPress website hosting free for 3 domains as well. You're getting accounts into Sell Messenger, into LetClicks, into LetReach. And mind you, those are the applications which are on monthly recurring. If you see, you'll see we are charging $97 per month. In Sell Messenger, we are charging the same amount into LetClicks, into LetReach. And those are the applications which are used by Rich Saffron. Those are the applications which are used by 7-figure marketers. We commission use it, and you're getting account into it for free. Plus you're getting my 60 premium bonuses, which I've talked about, here. So we are getting a lot of templates to you. We are getting 180 days guarantee to you, especially for you in this call. And on the top of that, you're getting 15% discount, which is special. You have to use code WEBBY15 off. Now, if you want to just use it for personal use, the price will be $47 on the top of that 15% discount. But 97 is for anyone and everyone, who's smart enough, who want to get back what they have invested with us, and so that you can get a commercial license, right? In commercial license, we give you right to handle client campaign. You can make campaign, just one campaign or thousands of campaign, will be 100,000s of campaign for your clients, and you can charge them one time, monthly, any fees you need. So imagine you're investing $97 with us, and even if you make one campaign further and charge them $97 in one time, your investment will be back, right? And imagine if you're making 10 such campaigns, you'll be in $1,000. You'll be 10 times more profitable, right? And this is, I can guarantee you, this is the lowest price LetSetCom will be offered to you ever. This is the lowest price. After that, I'm going to turn it into monthly recurring, $97 per month. And after 1 month, you'll see this package will be $297 per month, because we also know the value of our product. We have seen other lead pages, we have seen Convert Proof, we have seen Proof, we have seen all these products, charging hundreds of dollars per month, thousands of dollars per year. So we know what we are giving. Even if we give it in $297 per month, having these 13 sales booster, it's still less price. It's still way less than that, and we are giving into one central dashboard. So you imagine, what you're getting into just one time low price over here, right? And first time buyers, who will get LetSetCom here now will get it for free. We're gonna check the transactions, and first buy, 10 buyers will get it free. We're gonna refund them, and so you're covered by our 180 days money back guarantee. You can get LetSetCom and all those bonuses at the link which is on the screen in front of you. So you have to go to http live.letsetcom.io/special. You have to go to this link, and that's where you can buy LetSetCom, and first 10 buyers will get it for free, and others, this is a great opportunity, great investment for you in your business to get more traffic, more engagement, more leads, more sales into your system. Believe me, once you invest into it, you're going to recommend it to your your friends, your associates, your business partner. And if you're affiliate marketer, you don't even need domain or hosting for that. You just use LetSetCom, and that's it. That's more than enough for your business. Now, with commercial license, you can make $5,000 to $10,000 per week handling client campaign, and use the coupon WEBBY15 off for 15% discount. You can forward receipt at help.letsetcom.io. So that we can give you all those bonuses which I talked about: account in Sell Messenger, account in LetClicks, account in LetReach, all these applications in which we charge hundreds of dollars per month, plus hosting for 3 domains, plus my 60 magical software bonuses, and there are secret bonuses as well, which I have not revealed in this webinar. Once you buy it, once we know that you use this coupon WEBBY15 off, we'll straight away mail it to your mail ID. And at the end, what I want to talk about is that you just don't buy a product, you buy results, right? You see results, you replicate the strategy. That's what people buy nowadays, right? So this is perfect working marketing hacks and the software which include all those experiences, which we have. The reason why we were able to generate millions, right? We were able to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in the last few months, and we saw the difference in the earlier and now today. That the difference was that we were able to generate 3 times more revenue with the same kind of clicks, right? So there has to be smart work involved, and everything is in LetSetCom. We have included that, and we are top software awardee. We are JVZoo premium vendor. We are CEOs of the company which are doing good. We have won awards as well for our designs, for our support. We are top online marketers. We have tested it and we are giving it in a market because once you have seen success, it's said that you should do something for your community as well. Give it back, so that others also can get successful. And obviously, once we do the sales, we also get money from it. But you also know that the kind of value we are giving over here, that is way much more than what we are charging in one-time price, which is just $97. And you can get it back. You buy a commercial license, you do 10 sales, you're 10 times in a profit. You don't want it, you want to use it for yourself. It's in $47 on the same page where you will go right now, and you'll see use maybe 15 off, and it will be on something like $42 for you for your personal use for one time and for unlimited use. But be smart. You know what version you need, commercial license, and you can make much more than that. And I can see a lot of questions here. We're going to reply to that in private chat. My team is replying to you. Okay, Jacob has a question. With agency license, I can handle all sales booster campaign. Like I can create timer for my client. Yes, Jacob, you can create timers for your client. You can create promo bars as well. You can create tab messaging, which is not, by the way, not present anywhere. And you can charge them any amount you want. You can charge them $500 one-time price so that you can make the campaigns. You can charge them any amount you want, and with just one sale, your investment will be back and you will be in profit. And this system will be technically free for you, right, to use in one-time price. And if you have to charge, if you have to combine all these features and see what we are giving more than per monthly, it should be something around $5,000 per month charging for each and every app, which are the sales booster in this app. And we are charging just $97, and this is the lowest price which you'll see ever. And with that, it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you on another call. If you have any questions, you can put in this chat. If you have any questions, put below this video, and we're going to get back to you. We're going to answer it all. And if you can mail us at help.letsetcom.io. You can get in touch with me on my Facebook. Type Jai Sharma, JAISHARMA, Sharma 911989. You can get in touch with me on Skype as well, Jai Sharma 911989, and I'm going to answer all of your questions, whatever you have. If you want to purchase it and you still have any doubt, get in touch with us, and we'll help you get your business, get more sales, more profit. And yeah.